All right, so anyway, I bought this, and it came with one of these. And this thing here, no matter how far I pull it out, it will not work with this XS Max. I'll show you. I'm pulling it. It will not, it's not big enough. So they make them so they'll work with the iPhone, but this will not work with the Otter case on here. And for me to take the Otter case off every time I want to make a video is ridiculous. So I went online on Amazon and I purchased this. And this one here goes about 4 some inches. So as you can see, I've got extra length here that I can do. So now I can use this with my Otter case, which is, that's like 4.5 inches or so, as opposed to this one here, which will not go, I mean, it'll work if you take the phone out of the Otter case, but it's a pain in the butt. So this is a much better product. And then to get it on there, it just, you know, it just screws on. And there's a little thing right here that you twist, and it goes right in there. Just like that. And so now, there you go. You got a selfie stick and iPhone XS Max, the big one, holder, and all the other bigger iPhones it'll work on with a big Otter case. So you can put the bigger case on and this thing will work. See? Very good. And this tripod's an excellent tripod too. Plus you can use it as a stick. So I would highly recommend going on Amazon and purchasing this. It doesn't really have a name. All it is a, I put in iPhone, you know, tripod holder, and this is what I got. So if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do video with your iPhone. All right, peace out.